With increasing populations around the world, the pressure on farmers to produce enough food has never been greater. With labor shortages and increasing amount of work to do, it's impossible to keep up with traditional methods. Luckily, technology is helping to increase the yields and reduce the time it takes to harvest. From giant tractors to specialized equipment and ingenious designs, today we take a look at the most amazing agricultural vehicles in the world. Starting with number 15, the CLAAS IH QuadTrak 620. The QuadTrak 620 tractor is an advanced piece of machinery that's powerful, versatile, and makes use of the latest tech. It's designed to meet the demands of modern farming, being both efficient but effective on large-scale operations. Central to this is the QuadTrak system, which uses 4 independent tracks instead of traditional wheels. This significantly improves traction, reduces soil compaction, and allows the tractor to perform effectively in a range of different field conditions, including wet, muddy, and soft soils. It's powered by a 12.9-liter 6-cylinder engine that delivers up to 620 horsepower. The engine's equipped with advanced emissions technology too that can meet environmental regulations without really compromising performance. One of the most impressive features of the QuadTrak 620 is the advanced hydraulic system, which offers up to 113 gallons per minute of flow. This high-capacity system allows the tractor to power a wide range of hydraulic implements at the same time, which further improves its productivity. It's also equipped with cutting-edge tech to support precision farming practices. The AFS Connect telematics system provides real-time data to the tractor's performance, location, and maintenance needs, something that allows farmers to monitor and manage their equipment remotely. The tractor's cab, too, is designed with operator comfort and convenience in mind, featuring ergonomic controls, a spacious interior, and advanced climate control systems. These features help reduce fatigue during long working hours, and once again contribute to higher productivity and safety. Number 14, the automatic InRow weeder. Once a field's been planted with the desired crop, it can become pretty tricky to ensure all the nutrients are directed towards growing what you want and not weeds. One option to keep unwanted growth under control is the use of chemicals, but there's another way, an automatic InRow weeder. These sophisticated machines are designed to automatically identify and remove weeds within crop rows, which significantly reduces the need for manual weeding and chemical herbicides. This InRow weeder utilizes a combination of advanced sensors, cameras, and AI to tell the difference between crops and weeds, and then can ensure precise and efficient removal. The core technology behind it involves high-resolution cameras and machine vision systems that capture detailed images of the plants in the field. These images are processed by sophisticated algorithms to analyze the shape, size, and color of the plants to differentiate between crops and weeds. Once a weed's identified, the weeder's mechanical arms or blades are activated to remove it with great accuracy and speed. Usefully, automatic InRow weeders can operate continuously and consistently, regardless of the time of day or weather conditions. This ensures that weeding can be carried out when needed, rather than being limited by the availability of labor or suitable working conditions. This makes the vehicles a great option for organic farming and sustainable agriculture. Another major benefit of them is that they can reduce labor costs and the physical burden on farm workers, and weeding is notoriously labor-intensive that requires bending, stooping, and repetitive motions, leading to physical strain and potential injuries. By automating the process, farmers can reallocate workers to other essential tasks, improving the overall efficiency and productivity. And it also means the job can still be done even in regions where there are labor shortages. Number 13, the Agroboteer E-Series Strawberry Harvester. Strawberries. Some crops can prove to be far more difficult to harvest than others, often due to the complex way that they grow and how delicate they are. And of all of them, the trickiest are arguably strawberries. Growing on bushes that take on irregular shapes and with fruit that's easily damaged, for a long time the only feasible way of collecting strawberries of a good enough quality would be to do it by hand. The Agroboteer E-Series Strawberry Harvester is a game-changer though, and is a piece of agricultural technology that was designed to make the strawberry harvesting process way simpler. Designed by Agroboteer, the machine uses cutting-edge robotics and AI to provide an efficient, precise, and labor-saving solution. It's equipped with multiple robotic arms, each of which is fitted with specialized end effectors that are designed to delicately handle strawberries, ensuring little damage during harvesting. The arms operate with precision, guided by computer vision and machine learning algorithms. This technology allows the harvesters to selectively pick only the berries that are at the peak of ripeness, ensuring the best quality and flavor for consumers. Using high-resolution cameras and advanced image processing, it can tell the difference between ripe and unripe berries based on color, size, and shape, and then direct robotic arms to harvest the selected fruit. The obvious advantage of something like this is its ability to operate continuously and efficiently. Traditional strawberry harvesting is labor-intensive, requiring many workers to bend and stoop for long hours, which can be physically demanding and costly. The E-Series, however, can work tirelessly, covering large areas more quickly and consistently. It's also designed with versatility in mind and can be easily adjusted to different field conditions. The machine, too, is user-friendly, featuring an intuitive control interface that allows the operators to monitor and manage the harvesting process effectively. And operators can set parameters such as desired ripeness level and harvesting speed, tailoring the machine's operation to their farm. Number 12. The Global Unmanned Spray System. The Global Unmanned Spray System, or GUS for short, is a groundbreaking development in agricultural technology. Developed by GUS Automation, it's a sprayer that operates without a driver, which is a revolutionary approach in the agricultural sector. This capability is made through a combination of GPS guidance, LiDAR sensors, and sophisticated algorithms. These technologies work together to navigate the environments of orchards and vineyards, ensuring the sprayer follows precise paths while avoiding obstacles such as trees, poles, and uneven terrain. Traditional spraying requires multiple people to cover large areas, which can be time-consuming and labor-intensive. GUS, on the other hand, can operate continuously without the need for rest, significantly reducing the time required to complete spraying tasks. Precision is a key too, as the sprayer can be programmed to apply chemicals with exact accuracy to give uniform coverage and optimal application rates. This precision reduces the likelihood of over-application or under-application of chemicals, which can harm crops and the environment. And it means that there's far less wastage than through other methods. There's also a massive safety implication by using a device like this, as traditional spraying operations expose operators to potential harmful chemicals. GUS eliminates this risk by removing the operator, and it allows for the operation to be managed from a safe distance. Using GUS also supports sustainable farming practices. By optimizing chemical application, the system helps to minimize chemical runoff into surrounding ecosystems. Number 11. The Vogle Baler. The Vogle Baler is a machine that was designed specifically to streamline the process of hay and straw baling. Its main function is to collect cut hay or straw and compress it into compact, manageable bales. This baling process is critical for efficient storage and transportation, ensuring that the feed maintains its quality over time. And the Vogle Baler does this extremely well. Featuring a knotting system, it ensures that each bale is securely tied, preventing it from unraveling during handling or transport. The knotting mechanism is both reliable and easy to use and maintain, reducing downtime and ensuring continuous operation. And it's compatible with various types of twine, giving farmers flexibility in their choice of materials. Another major benefit of this baler is its high-capacity intake system. It can handle large volumes of hay or straw, allowing the baler to operate efficiently even in extensive fields. The intake mechanism is equipped with sensors that monitor the flow of material, ensuring consistent feeding and preventing blockages. As with all tasks on the farm, baling can be a long process that requires hours upon hours in the fields, but the designers of the Vogle Baler have taken this into account by making it as comfortable and easy to use as possible. The operator's cabin is equipped with intuitive controls and a clear display panel that provides real-time information on the baling process, allowing them to make necessary adjustments quickly and efficiently. And the cabin is ergonomically designed to reduce fatigue, enabling farmers to work far longer periods of time without discomfort. Number 10. DeWolf GBC1. The DeWolf GBC1 is a state-of-the-art machine. It was designed specifically for the efficient harvesting of carrots. Vegetables like carrots can be notoriously difficult to effectively harvest by machinery because they grow underground, but this one comes packed with features that make it as simple and as waste-free as possible. The machine's equipped with a highly advanced lifting mechanism that carefully extracts carrots from the soil without causing any damage. This gentle handling is critical for maintaining the quality and appearance of carrots, which are vital for both market value and consumer satisfaction. The GBC1's got an impressive capacity for high-speed harvesting. Its design allows for continuous operation, significantly increasing the rate of harvest compared to traditional methods, and this high-speed capability is achieved without compromising the gentle handling of the crop. One of the more important innovations in its design is its advanced sorting and cleaning system. After lifting the carrots from the soil, the machine automatically sorts and cleans them, removing any excess dirt and separating carrots based on size and quality. This automation streamlines the post-harvest processing, reducing the need for manual labor and ensuring that only the best carrots are selected. Number 9. The BORGO 7950 Air Seeder. Known for having a robust construction, the BORGO 7950 Air Seeder has innovative features and a user-friendly design, and has become a critical tool for modern farmers aiming to maximize yield and be sure that their crops will establish properly. The designers wanted this model to be able to spend more time out in the field and having to refill, so fitted it with a huge seed and fertilizer capacity. With a capacity of 950 bushels, the 7950 allows for extended seeding operations, with the capacity being divided into multiple compartments, allowing for precise metering and placement of both seed and fertilizer. This seeder is equipped with BORGO's patented air seeding technology, which ensures an even and accurate distribution of seeds and fertilizer. The advanced metering system uses a combination of air pressure and precise calibration to deliver seeds uniformly. Another industry-leading feature of it is its control system. The seeder is equipped with their X35 Apollo system, which provides real-time monitoring and control over the seeding process. It offers an easy-to-use touchscreen interface, allowing operators to adjust seeding rates, monitor seed and fertilizer levels, and track field conditions on the go. This level of control helps ensure that seeding operations are performed with precision and significantly reduce waste compared to other methods. It is also an extremely tough vehicle, designed to be outside no matter the weather. It's constructed with high-quality materials. The seeder is built to withstand the demands of continuous use in various fields, and helpfully, has a modular design that allows for easy access to key components, making routine maintenance and repairs way simpler. Number 8. The Airhead Potato Harvester. Potatoes. They're another crop that can be pretty tricky to harvest, both because they grow underground and because they can be damaged if they're handled too roughly. The Airhead Potato Harvester deals with both those concerns, and it aims to significantly increase the overall yield. Traditional mechanical harvesters rely on digging and shaking, and while this usually is effective at removing the potatoes, it will often bruise them too. The Airhead, though, instead uses a series of air jets to lift the potatoes from the soil, which is a method that's much gentler on the potatoes, and it reduces bruising and other forms of damage. The use of air allows the machine to handle varying soil types and moisture levels more effectively, ensuring a consistent harvest. There are sensors there that monitor the position and condition of the potatoes as they're lifted from the soil, ensuring that the air jets are applied precisely where needed. The control systems adjust the intensity and direction of the airflow in real time, adapting to changes in soil composition and crop density, which is a level of precision that enhances the quality of the harvest. It is intended for long-term use. It can also handle large volumes of potatoes very quickly, and the machine's designed for high throughput, making it ideal for large-scale operations. The operator's cabin too is equipped with further advanced controls and displays that provide real-time data on exactly what's happening during the harvesting process, and this helps operators make informed decisions and adjustments on the fly, further enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of the machine, with manufacturers claiming it can be as much as 20% more efficient than a traditional harvester. Moving on to number 7, the Vogle VT5518 Slurry Tanker. So once your crops are in the ground and growing, you'll need to add nutrients throughout the growth cycle to ensure you get the maximum yield. There are various different ways to do this, but one of the most effective is a dedicated slurry tanker, like the Vogle VT5518. It offers a huge capacity and can hold a substantial volume of slurry at one time, reducing the frequency of refills and allowing for extended time in the field. It's also supported by an efficient pump system that ensures a steady and consistent flow of slurry during application. This system is designed to handle even the thickest of slurries, ensuring that nutrient-rich material is evenly distributed. It's also equipped with an advanced GPS control system that provides precise control over the application process, something that minimizes wastage, reduces the risks of nutrient runoff, and ensures that crops receive the optimal amount of nutrients. Unlike most slurry tankers, though, that spread the material on the surface and waits for it to be absorbed, the Vogle has a unique cutting disc injection system. This places the slurry directly into the soil and at the same time helps in aerating it, promoting better root growth. By injecting slurry below the surface, this system reduces odor and minimizes the loss of nutrients through volatilization, making the application process way more friendly. It's a far more efficient way of doing the job, and it's a great example of how advanced technologies can simplify and improve virtually every job on the farm. Like other modern vehicles, this tanker has advanced monitoring devices that show on a display its performance to the operator and allows for minute adjustments to be made where field conditions may require more or less material depending on the surrounding conditions. Number 6. The CLAAS Cougar 1400 mower. As anyone with a backyard will know, cutting the grass can suck, and it becomes all the more problematic when you have huge fields on a farm. Of course, that grass is a valuable resource because it can be baled and used for food for livestock during the winter. So it's important that it's cut quickly, but in a way that can be easily collected. The CLAAS Cougar 1400 mower is one of the best available. It's designed for use on large-scale farms with a working width of up to 46 feet or about 14 meters. It's one of the largest self-propelled mowers available. That extensive cutting capacity reduces time and labor required for mowing, making it ideal for large agricultural operations. It's got 5 independently suspended mowing units, which are arranged to ensure an even and consistent cut across the entire width. Each unit operates with its own set of cutting discs, allowing the mower to adapt to a varying field condition and maintain a high-quality cut. The ingenious way that this mower has been designed is the use of an advanced hydraulic suspension system. This allows each of the 5 mowing units to independently follow the contours of the ground, providing precise and consistent cutting even on uneven terrain. The suspension system not only enhances the quality of the cut, but also reduces wear and tear, so, that's pretty nice. It's fitted with an efficient engine that delivers plenty of power to handle demanding requirements of large scales, but at the same time, it's designed to be efficient with its use of fuel. It's this balance of power and efficiency that keeps the Cougar 1400 working for extended periods without interruption, and in a cost-effective way, which is nice. Number 5. The AGCO Challenger MT975B tractor. With a name like that, I guess sometimes on a farm you need a vehicle with a huge amount of strength and brute force, and one of the largest and most powerful production tractors available is the AGCO Challenger. Weighing just over 27 tons with an output of more than 600 horsepower, its fuel tank takes at least 20 minutes to fill and holds as much as some sprayers do in order to keep the 18-liter engine going. This, though, allows it to deliver high torque at low RPMs, ensuring great performance even under the most demanding conditions. The power generated by the engine allows it to do a wide range of heavy-duty tasks, from deep tillage and large-scale planting to pulling heavy equipment and transporting large loads. This tractor utilizes a full power shift transmission, which provides seamless movement between gears, ensuring that power is delivered smoothly. And the use of this transmission system not only enhances the tractor's performance, but it also improves its fuel efficiency. It's also compatible with a range of farm equipment. It's equipped with a sophisticated hydraulic system. With a high-flow hydraulic pump, the tractor can provide plenty of power to operate a wide range of hydraulic implements, even several at a time, which is useful in modern farming. The Challenger also uses advanced tech to support precision farming practices, so it's compatible with the various GPS and telematics systems, allowing farmers to monitor and manage their operations with greater accuracy. Those systems provide real-time data on the tractor's performance, location, and maintenance needs, which enables farmers to make informed decisions and optimize their farming process. Number 4. Cabbage Harvester. Good old cabbages. At first, you might think that a row of cabbages would be fairly simple to harvest, but to remove them at speed and carefully enough so they aren't damaged requires quite a specialized vehicle. A cabbage harvester uses a unique cutting and lifting mechanism that's typically made up of a series of sharp blades that cut the cabbage heads at the base. These blades are designed to make clean cuts to avoid damaging the cabbage, ensuring that the heads remain intact. Following the cut, the lifting system gently raises the cabbage heads from the field and transports them onto a conveyor belt. This process is designed to handle the cabbage as delicately as possible to prevent any bruising or any other damage. Modern cabbage harvesters are equipped with advanced technology to further improve their efficiency and precision. Of course, GPS sensors and systems are commonly used to guide the harvester through the field accurately. These systems can ensure that the machine follows the best path, maximizing coverage and minimizing missed areas. This selective harvesting capability is crucial for maintaining crop quality and optimizing your yield. Another important feature of cabbage harvesters is their ability to perform under various field conditions. These machines are built so they can handle uneven terrain, muddy fields, and different soil types. The durability of cabbage harvesters make them suitable for diverse agricultural environments, ensuring consistent performance regardless of the field conditions. Number 3. The Fendt Ideal 10. Once the crop is grown and ready, it's time to harvest, and on farms around the world, you'll have undoubtedly seen a combine harvester doing this work. Not every one is the same though, and one of the largest and most advanced of all is the enormous Fendt Ideal 10. It's equipped with a 790 horsepower, 16.2-liter six-cylinder engine. It has the power to handle the most demanding tasks. The engine not only delivers high performance, but also pretty fuel efficient, reducing any operational costs and environmental impact. The high torque output allows it to maintain a consistent performance even under heavy loads and challenging field conditions. It's not just its strength though, but the precision at which it harvests, and to do this the Ideal 10 has a helix threshing and separating system, which is designed to maximize grain quality and minimize loss. The helix's large diameter rotors allow for increased throughput, making the Ideal 10 capable of handling large volumes of crops. It also has the Ideal Balance cleaning system, which ensures that grain is thoroughly cleaned and separated from chaff and debris. This system uses a combination of dual returns and a double-deck cleaning chute to improve the cleaning process. This ensures that the grain collected is of the highest quality, ready for storage or immediate sale. With the latest technological advances too, the Fendt Ideal 10 does a lot of the decision-making for you with automation technology. The Ideal Harvest system uses a network of sensors and cameras to monitor the crop flow and adjust the machine settings automatically for optimal performance. And it'll adjust rotor speeds, concave clearance, and cleaning fan speeds to match the current field conditions without needing the operator, meaning they're able to focus on other elements of the harvest. Number 2. The Homer T440 Beet Harvester. Good old beets. Around 20% of the world's sugar production comes from sugar beets, which means that vast fields are full of the crop, and when it comes time to harvest, a specialized machine like the Homer T440 harvester can make all the difference. Equipped with a Mercedes-Benz engine, this harvester delivers an impressive 626 horsepower and means that the T440 can operate efficiently under the most demanding conditions. The engine's fuel efficiency and compliance with strict emission controls is also contributed to reduced operational costs. The harvester is equipped with Homer's Terra DOS lifting unit, which includes a series of highly efficient lifting shears and central depth control system. Now, this system ensures that the beets are lifted gently and efficiently from the soil, minimizing damage and loss. Another efficiency savings with the T440 is its cleaning system, which uses a combination of rollers, turbines, and sieves to remove soil and debris from the beets as they're harvested. This multi-stage process ensures that the beets are thoroughly cleaned before being stored, which is essential for maintaining their quality and market value. The cleaning system, too, is designed to handle large volumes of beets, allowing the harvester to operate continuously without needing to empty. The T440 also incorporates some advanced tech such as telematics systems that provide real-time data on its performance, and the farmer will therefore know exactly how much of the crop has been harvested and is in storage, and will have updates on the size and quality of the produce. This data then helps to improve the overall yield, but also lets the farmer know exactly what to expect when they sell the crop and eliminate the unexpected and costly surprises later down the line, like what you see in the toilet after you eat a beet salad. Number 1. The Mechanical Tree Shaker. So one of the biggest challenges that farmers face is that different crops grow in drastically different ways, and often the most in-demand produce is the one that's trickiest to actually collect. Some of the most popular fruits and nuts grow on trees, for example, and this adds an extra layer of difficulty because you need to protect the trees so they can produce next season. Traditionally, this would mean needing to collect everything by hand, but new types of technology have now provided an alternative. A mechanical tree shaker is a specialized piece of equipment that helps with the harvesting of tree fruits and nuts, such as almonds, olives, pecans, apples, and cherries. They do this by applying a controlled amount of force to a tree, causing it to vibrate and, as a result, dislodge the fruits or nuts. This typically is achieved using a powerful hydraulic system that operates a set of clamping arms or a shaking head. The machine positions itself around the trunk or a major limb of the tree and then gently but firmly grips it. Once secure, the shaker activates its hydraulic system to shake the tree at a frequency and intensity tailored to the type of fruit or nut being harvested. Mechanical tree shakers are designed to handle a wide range of tree sizes and shapes. They can be mounted on various platforms such as tractors or self-propelled vehicles, making them versatile and adaptable. The efficiency, though, of the mechanical tree shakers is their biggest advantage, as traditional manual harvesting methods are very labor-intensive, requiring large teams of workers to pick fruits or nuts by hand. This increased efficiency with a mechanical tree shaker not only lowers operational costs, but also helps to ensure that the harvest is completed within the optimal time frame. While many will let the fruit fall to the ground, some of the tree shakers include a net that wraps around the tree first and catches everything that's dislodged. And then, once it's carefully been emptied into a storage bin, the produce can then be sorted and prepared for market. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Thank you to our channel members.